Okay, I'm about to add some treats in our new mat. So instead of putting like a full one, I try and, let's see, break them up a little bit. Kind of shove them inside there. Let's grab some more. There we go, stick them inside the folds. Stick some under in there. I have one sniffer. One we call her the puppy, who kind of will dominate it because she's big and goofy and doesn't know what she's doing. And one very sweet boy who will just kind of let the girls do their thing. But it's not super into sniffle mats, but the girls are. So let's see how they feel about this new one. I have another one that's like bigger and it's only like that. But this one I thought they would enjoy because it's a little different. Let's see what they do. I wonder if I'm supposed to stick some inside of there. I'm not sure. Add some over here. One under here, so there's different flaps. Okay. So I'm gonna grab it and then call our doggies. Let's see what they think. I got a Lucy here, Bax, Clover. Okay, yep. There's my Lucy. There's my first girl, Bax. Oh, there's my sweet boy. Let's see if he's interested. He just wants some snuggles. Come here. Nope. Lucy's all about it. Clover must be sleeping. Look, look, boy. Oh, there she comes. Yeah, it's a rainy day, so we needed something to keep them busy with. Clover, come here. She doesn't want to bother Lucy. Yeah, this thing is great. But Lucy over here is kind of dominating.